In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can download GTA San Andreas using the official and safest method. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, there's a few different methods that you might see online, but by far the best and safest way to download GTA San Andreas on PC is going to be through the Rockstar Games launcher, since the game is no longer available as a standalone purchase here on Steam. So essentially, open up a web browser and search for the Rockstar Games launcher and purchase it and get it downloaded onto your PC, or if you already have it, just open it up and it'll look something like this, where you're going to be prompted to sign into your account. Go to make sure that you're signed into your account. If you don't know you have one, go ahead and just create one. But once you do get logged in and signed in, go ahead and go up to the store section and you could search specifically in the little more tab for browse all to search for GTA San Andreas, or you could go to the GTA collection and find it on here. On top of that, you can also get it through the trilogy option as well. So if you open this up, obviously it's going to include GTA San Andreas, GTA 3, and GTA Vice City, all bundled together in one little purchase for $60, or it's also included in GTA Plus through this option. However, that's not your only option. What you could also do is open up a web browser of your choice and search specifically for GTA San Andreas, hit enter, and then go to the first little web page right here from Rockstar Games. Open it up and you can directly get GTA San Andreas on this page as well. It really is as simple as that. That is the official way to download GTA San Andreas here on a PC. If you guys did have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do go though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really just helps out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.